Okay, day 59, everybody. Day 59. Let's look for good pairs because this one is only paying 50%. No, it's pretty volatile. Nope. That this could be. What is this? Aussie Aussie? Okay, we have a strong zone here. Yeah. Hmm. I need to wait because I think it already rebounded. Hmm. Let's let's look closely and see what the price does. Okay, we already passed the 3 zeros. I mean 2 zeros. Hmm. Put it down. Hmm. I'll wait until the next candle. I need to see because I think it's gonna keep going down. The reason is because of this week. The big week in the 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll put it down. I just need the price to give me an entry. That's good enough. No, not yet. Not yet. Now, yes. Hmm. It's making me a triangle, but the week is already too long. Hmm. Patience, patience. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Now it's gonna go down. I'll put it down now for 1 minute. 40 seconds. Hmm. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Got it. Ooh, I got a little bit nervous there, but it was worth it. Okay, in the 1 minute, I got a strong zone here, but in the 5 minutes, which is the chart to my right, you guys see this? Let me put the other line. This on top, those wicks, that represents a strong line, and that's a stronger zone than the one in the 1 minute. So what I'm saying is that in the 5 minutes, it made a higher high. Well, what you call it? A lower high. No, higher low. Yes, higher low, which is still a downtrend. It's weak, but it's still a downtrend. So that means that it was gonna rebound on the downside on the 5 minutes, and I only had to follow through on the 1 minute. Okay, I got my win for 1161. I'll do one compounding trade. 61 times 2.4. I'll do one compounding at 29. Okay, that was good. Let's look for another situation. Mm, I would take CHF knock, but the candles are too long. Look at the size of those candles. No, I'll look for another one. UHF. Let me look at it 1 minute. I have a strong zone over here, here, and here on the up. But you also have a strong zone down here. Let me look at it in 2 minutes. 2 minutes is better, way better. Okay, this is a big wick. That's a big zone. I'll modify this to this. I'll change the expiry time for 2 minutes. Okay, let's see what we have here. It is like a downtrend. It's weak, but it's a downtrend. But the recent trend is up. Okay, let me look at it 1 minute again. Okay, broke. I need to wait for the retest for 1 minute, not two. Come on, give me a retest. Oh, retest. That's a good retest there. Going up for 1 minute. Come on. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Got it. Man, woo wee. That was good. I was nervous though. I'm even breathing heavily. But that resistance line hold is holding tough there, even with all the volatility. Let me draw the lines. Let me draw the zone in the 5 minutes so you guys can see it better. This zone, that zone is a strong zone. This zone that I draw in the 5 minutes, which is a shot to your right, is the same upper zone that I draw over here in the 1 minute. It doesn't look the same, does it? But that's because the price has a lot of volatility. I was lucky that it was able to maintain enough momentum to keep going up. Okay, I got my two wins. I got my normal trading win and my normal compounding win. I didn't use any patterns today. Again, I stayed with Manila support and resistance, which is my watch. That was my initial strategy that I used for the first challenge of 100 days, and it went good. So let's go to a chart, shall we? Let's see how much I got today. Okay, yesterday we left at 331.63. Today we are at 365.51. That gives us a gain of $33 and or 10% of the account. Whew, that's good. That's good. That's a good one and good 10% increase on a very windy day. Actually, we're having a sun dust storm over here. I can barely see anything outside. 10% was good. 102 trades, two wins. Everything went well. Let's keep studying, keep getting better. If any other channel has any questions, I'll help. I want to learn from them, and I'm well sure that they can learn from me as well. Hey, we're only here to get better at trading, aren't we? All right, enough babbling for tonight. Good night. Stay safe.